people, so we are at this place called Planetarium, which is in Gachibowli. Take a look at it. This is how the cafe, cute little cafe looks, and it is such a beautiful, pretty, cute little place. Yeah, I mean, and it's one of the first vegan places that I've seen. That oh my God, it makes my heart happy just coming here. And we've had some very delicious strawberry donut, and now we're waiting for the chocolate donut to arrive. And once Ayush, how did you like the chocolate donut?
Very nice.
Really? You'll recommend this place?
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
seriously, I would.
Except for the non-veg people, because this is a vegetarian restaurant.
Yeah, we should actually, if there is vegetarian pizza, we'll order that also. I mean,
We always have vegetarian pizza.
yeah, no, because that is the one thing we need. Pizza is something we really enjoy, right? So,
You don't really enjoy.
okay, you also enjoy. So
You
this is
don't.
the thing. Once the food comes, we'll do another short little video.
You-
So really, people, I can't recommend this place enough. It's called Planetarium, and it's in Gachibowli. And Ayush, how do you like it? It's really cool, seriously. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.